Hello everyone. So today we'll learn one basic concept in C++, that is shallow copy and deep copy. So a shallow copy basically copies the object as it is, including pointer address. So if you see here we have one object 1 and object 2, and here is a pointer variable and it is pointing to the same variable. Let's see, go through the code. So here we have a class shallow, and we have taken one pointer variable. This is a constructor we have defined here. We have a getters and setter here, and this is a display function basically to print the pointer value. And if you see here that we have created one shallow uh, class object which we have passed 10 as a value. And here, if we, the second object is object B, we have created and assigned object A to B. So basically here the copy constructor, default copy constructor will be called here. And let's see what will be the answer for this. See, if you see here, 10 10 and 12 12. So if you see here, we had changed this value, object A value, we have changed it here, set 12. So we have a setter and we are changing the value here, but still we are getting 12 and 12. This is because the shallow copy, because both objects point to the same memory. If you see here, both objects are pointing to the same memory. Even we have value 10 set it, and still it is pointing to the same memory. That's why they are given 10 10 and 12 12. So the problem is, if one object modify or deletes the memory, the other object is affected. That is really dangerous. So now here we come to the deep copy concept. A deep copy creates a new memory and copies the actual data. So here the each object has its own memory. And so for that we have to implement our copy constructor. So if you see here, that is our copy constructor. Here what we are doing in this copy constructor, we have given a new space to this pointer variable, and we had copied our value to this pointer. So now this pointer variable has its own space. So let's run it again and see the result. See, we have changed the value 12 and it is reflected for only one object. Thank you for watching.